Third one is provide opportunity for learning in as needed and when needed format. As needed means in application form, not in just theory form. What is the solution? The way we mentioned earlier also, what is the solution that we are able to offer rather than what is the funda we are giving, what is the gyan we are giving, and give it when the learner needs it. So this is making sure that you are giving learning when learner needs it, making it learner-centric more than the trainer-driven. So it's very important to, and when we say, make a Netflix of learning, this is what we mean. When you need something, you should be able to get it and not really wait. You should not be made to wait for that. That's how you are actually enhancing business impact of what you are doing. So make sure you are following this as needed, when needed format while you are using Learning Club or technology platform, the kind of things that have been shared on the above 2 points.